Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm just going to do a really quick overview of my Suzuki Carry WPL D12 drift build. So everything I've done on this truck is pretty much budget, from 3D printed parts to really cheap ESCs. So we'll take a look under the tray at the back. I've used to cover all my electronics. So ignore the horrible joints. I've run out of solder, so I had to crimp them together. So I'm just using a cheap 20 amp ESC, which you can see just there. It's absolutely fine for the stock motor. And I'm using a 2S LiPo out of a WL Toys. I'm using a Dumbo RC with gyro. Obviously make sure your gyro is facing the right way. These are actually really good value. I think I paid about £25 including the shipping for the transmitter and the receiver with the gyro, and it really does help with trying to drift. It's not quite as good as a standalone gyro, but it's certainly better than standard. So that's the electronics. So we flip it over. Underneath we're using a WPL full metal rear axle and drive shaft that goes onto the stock transmission. It's a really good upgrade, especially if you're planning to go to brushless in the future, which I am. I've got brushless combo in the post, so when that comes I'll do a video installing that and then a new run video. The old battery tray is redundant now because I've got the battery in the bed, so I can run a bigger battery. I might actually get rid of the battery tray so then you get a bit more suspension travel, because that hits on the battery tray. 3D printed tyres with the thinner ones on the back to let it slide a bit easier, and 3D printed body kit, and that's it really. If you've got any questions, just leave them in the comments below. All the parts I'll leave links to in the description. I've actually got a discount code for the D12 and the rear axle, so check out the description for that one, and give a like and subscribe, and see you next time.